A 2-pound brick could only be moved by 4 strong men. The man was very confused when he saw this, so he picked up a brick with one hand. This scene stunned his colleagues. They marveled at the man's strength, but the man was still confused. It turned out that just now, human strength had decreased by 100 times. Only this man was not affected. One day, the man was walking on the street when he saw a shocking scene. A flower pot was so heavy that it could only be moved by a crane. The man decided to help the female CEO, but the female CEO laughed at him, saying he looked too weak. The next second, the man took down the flower pot. Everyone was shocked by his action. Then the woman took the man home. She wanted to hire him as a bodyguard, but the man said he was too weak to do this job. Then he picked up the flower pot with one hand to answer the phone. The woman was shocked by his strength again when he put the flower pot on the table. This action not only made the house shake, but also shattered the table. The woman was completely stunned by his strength. She vowed to have him. Then she invited the man to a restaurant for a meal. The man was surprised to find that a group of waiters had to work together to lift a plate of food. There was almost no food on the plate, and there were only 10 grains of rice. In this era, if someone could eat 20 grains of rice, they would definitely be considered a big eater. But the man asked the manager to bring a big bowl of rice. When he ate the rice with big mouthfuls, everyone couldn't believe it. When the man returned to the construction site after the meal, he met his girlfriend. His girlfriend brought a rich man to break up with him. Although the man was extremely angry, the rich man was a very strong professional boxer, so the man decided to back down. But the rich man wouldn't let it go. He tried to pick up a 1-kilogram brick to throw at the man. However, the rich man couldn't even lift the brick. He had to pick up a smaller stone and slowly lift it up. The man's colleagues' expressions changed greatly. They all praised the rich man for his great strength. The man was burning with anger and immediately gave the rich man a slap. The rich man flew out like a kite with a broken string. At this time, the female CEO passed by. Seeing the man's strength, the female CEO immediately knelt on the ground and proposed to the man.